Hey everyone, welcome to the Globeguys. We've been staying in Brussels and today we've got the train to Bruges for a few hours.
We have. It's a little bit on the chilly side.
It is cold. We've been vlogging in Brussels and so today we're going to relax a little bit because it's quite a lot of effort, isn't it, to vlog. So today we're just going to show you some sights of Bruges, so enjoy.
And that was Bruges. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, why not smash that subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, and we'll see you in the next destination. See you later.